Hey guys, what is going on? What is going on, everyone? Street Trading here. This is our weekly trade recap video. Beast monster of a week. Actually, best week we've ever had. Best trade we've ever had this past week. Just a beautiful session. Going into a very nice weekend. So listen, guys. So obviously, we're looking at a 15-minute chart here of SPY. Just the buy the dips, and buy the dips. This strategy has been working for quite some time. We were talking about, SPY obviously reclaiming the 50 every time it keeps getting dip down to the 50 on its daily. Buyers stepping in a big way and taking that thing right back up north. More all-time highs continue to get printed. How far can this go? Listen, guys, who knows? Who cares? All right, trade the trend. Don't try to top tick this thing. Don't try to build that old movie in your head. Could you be right? Sure, but at the end of the day, why fight it? Let the boys print it first, and then you ride the wave, right? So all dips are getting bought up, and until that doesn't happen, let it happen, right? Keep your mind right. And this past week, we focused exclusively off of our weekly watches that we put up in our Sunday videos for our trade watch list for the week, and we just focused on that, and it paid in a big way. So that's what we're gonna obviously have our focus for the next week ahead as well, but that's a whole separate video. We'll put up that shortly. That being said, patience, guys. It's one of those things that you got to find your groove, you got to find your focus, what works and aligns with you as a particular trader. Not every trader has patience, not every human has patience, obviously. If you have that in your character, then you can shift your mindset as to how you want to extract capital. At the end of the day, we're just trying to make money out of the markets. That's it. All right, there's plenty of ways to do it. Figure what way works for you. If you are the type of person that have the ability to truly sit on cash and wait for opportunities to come to you, despite whether they do come, you plan for them to happen, they don't happen, or if you plan for it to happen, they don't happen for a few sessions. If you have that ability to wait, so when they are ready to ripe and ready to rip to the upside or to the downside, then you can capitalize on the move. If you have that ability, you're going to get paid in a big way. Alright, you're going to get paid in a big way. It's a different way to trade. It's not scalping, obviously, that so many newcomers try to do. They try to get in there with a couple cents here and there. That's the big thing, because obviously you don't got to deal with your emotions. When you're a scalper, it's a whole different way to trade. That's not what we do. But anyway, we've already beaten that dead horse. So if you have that patience about you, then stay focused on a handful of securities. Let them do what they do. Let them shake out the weak. Let them chop up everybody else. When all that stuff's said and done, then key levels will get taken out to the upside or to the downside, and then you're going to see a crystal clear trend, and let the momentum drive your position. Right? And that's what we focus on week in, week out. Obviously this is one of the things that our members are capitalizing on with us. So very happy for and proud of all you guys as well. Want to say that. But anyway, let's get into our week session. We didn't trade much. Didn't have to trade much. We crushed it on our P&L, and we had limited positions. So it was kind of a different shift, but it was very nice. We're going to continue that sentiment for the next week ahead. Anyway, let's get into some of the trades, some lessons here, key lessons, very simple lessons, but very important lessons. All right, keep it nice and simple. All right, guys, let's get into it here.